This is a fat 16th note groove. And this is how you play it. So as the name suggests, 16th notes on the hi-hat. 1 E and O, 2 E and O, 3 E and O, 4 E and O. All the ands we're going to accent. 1 E and O, 2 E and O, 3 E and O, 4 E and O. If that's something you've never done before, wait and come back to it. Get the rest of the groove first and then come back to that. The grooving concept is pretty simple. 1 E and O, 2 E and O, 3 E and O, 4 E and O. So you've got bass drum on 1, bass drum on the and of 2, and beats 3 and the E of 3. So 3 bass drums stuck together. A little bit tricky because it can be quite fast. Just remember, keep your heel up, put your foot kind of in the middle of the pedal and just stay relaxed. Take that together without the accent on the hi-hat. 1 E and O, 2 E and O, 3 E. 1, O, 3 E. O, 3 E. So, the hi-hat. 1 E and O, 2 E and O, 3 E and O, 4 E. Just remember to keep counting out loud. Take your time with that one, but it is worth it because it just adds some tastiness to this groove. Feel free to add in open hi-hats at the end, maybe 2 snare drums. All sorts of options, but either way, enjoy.